don't know what I'm doing, but I know it can't go wrong. We fell into it fast, nothing left to do but believe me in these solid moments as this truth that can't be untrue. Forever now, doesn't that surprise you? It's unbelievable in this inescapable twinging breeze from where I'm in between you. Can't help but better or worse in hours and days before they slip out from under us. And I swear in the sudden rush, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you. It's an old argument, but it's blind in the daylight.